If you're having trouble doing a regular push-up, guess what? I had the same problem too. Now, this is why it's very important for us to learn the progression movements that we can lead up into a regular push-up. In today's video, I want to show you how to do a knee push-up correctly at home. Coming up. I want to quickly talk about a basic movements that it will work with all these movements that I'm about to show you. The first one is going to be our hand positioning, okay? Our hand positioning is going to be very crucial. So first, what I want you to do is put your palm up like that, and then you can lower your palm right by your chest. Your thumb should be right around your nipple area. This is going to be the hand placement, okay? So what you want to do is every time you push, your hand should be right by your chest. Your elbow is at a 45-degree angle. So at a 45-degree angle, your back muscle, it would help you to push up as well. It also stabilizes your body. So that's gonna give you a stronger push. The second thing I want you to focus on is throughout the exercise, we wanna make sure we engage our core and we wanna engage our glutes. So in another way is tighten up your belly and tighten up your butt. Once you tighten up your butt, your leg muscle would tense up as well. This way, we can make sure our push-up movements, our body is in a straight line. We wanna make sure our body is in a very strong position. By doing this, it's gonna ensure that we have a perfect form. All right, so with those 2 points in mind, we can apply these into any of the push-up, that progression that I'm about to show you. With kneeling push-up, again, I want you to focus on your hand placement right under your chest. I want you to tighten up your core. I want you to tighten up your legs and tighten up your glutes throughout the exercise. I want you to inhale on the way down and exhale on the way up. Now, to perform this exercise is very easy. I would suggest that at home, if you can do this on the carpet, that would be great. Protect your knee. Right now, I am on a hardwood floor, so get yourself a yoga mat. If you need one, I'll link one in the description down below. So what we need to do is on our knee position, hand right below our chest, we're gonna go down, lift our leg up. You can cross it to stabilize it if you want. Okay, making sure our back is flat with a neutral spine. Tighten up the core, tighten up the glutes, and we're gonna push. Inhale, go on the way down, and exhale on the way up. Let's go. So with this push-up, I want you to focus to do 20 reps per set, 4 sets with about 45 seconds rest in between. If you're not able to hit that 20 reps, that is okay. Do the best you can until failure, okay? And as time goes on, you'll be able to hit that 20 rep mark. But that is the magic number I want you to hit. If you can hit 20 reps per set, then it's time for you to increase the intensity. We can use different styles of push-up to progress into a regular push-up. So this is how you do a kneeling push-up. Max merch store is a fitness-related design that is motivating, funny, and sometimes sarcastic. The print-on-demand store is a great environmentally friendly way to shop for your next t-shirt, hoodies, or your phone case because they do not carry any inventory. When you want it, we will print it and ship it to you so we don't waste any resource that will pollute the environment. Make sure to check it out. Find your Max merch store, and the links are in the description down below. Now, back to the topic. Hey guys, I hope this video helps. This is something that you can easily do at home. Start practicing, learning what muscle group to engage to perform the exercise. So I have created a free fitness workout plan that people can use to start off their fitness journey. The links are in the description down below. Make sure to check them out. I also have a playlist on fitness beginner series where everything we talk about from workout, nutrition, and mindset. So make sure to check them out after this. All right, until next time, peace.